Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this 60s inspired look, so if you would like to learn how I got it, keep on watching. So today I'm going to start off with the eyes first, and I've already primed, and I just used some concealer and I set that with a little bit of powder. And first I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to take this black shade right here, and I'm going to take that on an angled brush, and so I'm gonna start off with that black shade. And so this is not my original idea. I saw Jamie Genevieve, she's a YouTuber that I follow that I really like. She did this look and she took inspiration from someone else. I'll leave both of their videos linked down below so you can see like actual professionals do it. But so first they started out drawing with the black shadow like above their crease, and they kept their eyes open so they could see where it actually was. So I'm just gonna start off by doing that. I'll get a little bit closer. And so I'm just drawing that above my crease. And working with powder is honestly going to be easier than using an eyeliner or like a pencil or anything, because it's not as harsh and it's a little bit more forgiving. So I love 60s makeup. I think it's so pretty. Just how they have just like the cut crease, and then like I know a lot of people would do like a pop of color, like the blue on the lid. I just think that's so pretty. I'm not really explaining what I'm doing, but so I kind of just went above my crease, and then I kind of just, it's kind of going like downwards, I guess. I love the look of 60s makeup. I just think it's so pretty. And so a while ago, I had tried to do it myself, and I mean, it came out fine, but I used eyeliner instead of eyeshadow for this part, and it just turned out really messy. Like, you could see where I'd messed up and everything. So I'm just gonna try to recreate it and try again as best as I can, because with makeup, that's like the best way to like improve, and everything is just by practicing. Okay, so I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm just gonna carve out what the lid, whatever's under that black line, and if I messed up a little bit on the top, I'll go in and clean that up too. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the lid, and then I'll go in with the lid color that I want to do, and then if I need to, I'll go back in with the black shade and just touch it up. And so I just took some concealer. You can use whatever you like to use, and so I'm just gonna go in and cut the crease, and like right here you can see there's a little bit of black shadow that transferred down, so this will help to clean that up too. And today on the lid, I think I'm gonna do a purple shade, like a shimmery purple. I know in the 60s a lot of people used blue eyeshadow or like white or beige. And in the videos I watched, Jamie, she did like a sparkly gold, which was really pretty. And then the other girl who she was inspired by, I think her name's Bailey, she did like a turquoisey blue color. So you can really do whatever shade you want. I know, like what I've seen on Instagram, people have done yellow, people do blue, people do green. I wanted to do pink, but I actually don't have any pink shades that I liked that I wanted to use. Like I wanted like a sparkly pink, but I don't have anything like that. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 39S palette, and I think I'm gonna go in with this bottom purple shade right here. I'm gonna take that on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush. And usually I don't do one eye at a time, but I honestly had no idea how this was gonna turn out. And with shimmer shades, it's best to pat them on instead of swiping. You're gonna get the most impact and color and more of the shimmer that way. I am gonna do winged liner with this, but with the way I do winged liner, I'm gonna wait to do it because I usually do my winged liner after I do my mascara because it's just easier for me to see that way. And I'm just bringing this purple shade out to where like that black line stops. And now I'm just gonna go in with the black shade again and just deepen up that line a little bit. Okay. Okay, so that's what that eye is looking like. So now I'm gonna do this eye. Before I finish, as I'm putting the shadow on, I don't know what's going on with this eye, but right around here and like up here, the shadow's not sticking. I'm gonna keep working at it and just see what happens. Okay, and so the shadow really isn't sticking up there. I think I'm just gonna move on to doing my face and then I'll come back to the eyes. Okay, so off camera I primed my face and also I redid this eye. I'm still having a little bit of the problem I was having just like at the top of my eye, but it's really not that bad anymore. Next I'm gonna go in with foundation. Today I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 110 Porcelain. I'm just gonna dab that all over my face and blend it out using my sponge. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer, and today I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York. I think it's called the Fit Me concealer. I'm just gonna do that under my eyes. Okay, now I'm just gonna set my under eyes. I'm gonna take my loose powder for that. Next, I'm gonna bronze, and I'm gonna take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just gonna blend that out on my cheeks and my forehead. So yesterday, I made like a chatty get ready with me video, and I cut a lot of it. I cut out like one thing I was talking about because the video was just too long and I didn't think it was important. But I was talking about how with a lot of looks, I hate how it looks without false lashes. And like right now, I'll be honest, I'm not liking how this looks. And a lot of the time, it's just because I'm not used to seeing my face like this. Like, I don't wear my makeup like this ever. Like, this is more just like for a video or like an Instagram picture. And because I'm just not used to looking like this. But my thing is, I won't put false lashes on until the end because I don't want to get them wet with my setting spray. And so basically until like that point of when I put my false lashes on, I'm not gonna like how this looks. Next I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm just gonna use my Kylie blush right here. I'm gonna take that on my little broken angled brush. And I might do a little more blush than I usually do. Now I'm gonna do highlighter. I'm gonna use my favorite, my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. I'm gonna take that on my Morphe brush. And I'm just gonna highlight all my usual areas. I'm gonna take that on this little e.l.f. brush for like the smaller parts of my face. So off camera, I did my eyebrows and mascara. And now I'm gonna do eyeliner. So first I'm gonna start off by tight lining my upper lash line, and basically that's going on like the waterline, like the top line on the inside of your eye. It's kind of gross to watch, but it really helps if you're doing like a wing liner or false lashes, because you won't have like black and then like skin color. So I'm just gonna do that, and this is the Essence Kajal pencil in black. So I'm gonna do my wing, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Cosmetics Expert Liquid Liner in black for that. And you can make your wing as big as you want it, as small as you want it. You could connect it to the black in the crease if you wanted. I really don't know what size wing I'm gonna do today. I wanted more on the smaller side, but who knows what'll happen. And so I start my wing liner by going from the outer corner and drawing a line up. And then I'm gonna go to the top and draw a line going down. And then I'm gonna go to the inner corner. Oh my god. My eyes are watering. And now eyeliner's getting on the top of my eye. But we'll clean that up later. And so now I'm basically just connecting those two lines. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of the eyeliner. Just fill everything in. My eye is watering so bad. And then I'm just like touching it up, adding more where I think I need it. Okay, so that's one wing done. And now I'm just gonna do my wing on the other side. The hardest part about wing liner is getting them even on both sides. So today for lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. I don't know if you can see, but the glue wasn't totally coming off the lash, so I'm just gonna go over that with my liquid liner. Okay, so that lash is on too. And the same thing as the other one, I'm just gonna go over the lash band just to hide it a little bit more with the black eyeliner. I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna take the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara, the one in the gold tube. So for lips today, first I'm gonna use a lip liner, and this is the NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Nude Beige, and I'm just gonna overline my lips a little bit. This is the Maybelline Beige Babe Lipstick number 545. And so I'm just gonna go in everywhere else with that. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. And then in the center of that, I think I'm gonna take, this is another Maybelline lipstick in the shade 9110 Bare All, and I'm just gonna go right in the middle. Just a little bit. And dab that out using my finger. So I'm gonna include a close-up shot of the eyes. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.